Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amin, and on today's video I'm gonna show you what I do on my day off as a cabin crew. So as you can tell, the background is a little different because I just moved into this apartment like 3 days ago. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about the past week? I've been sick. I've been so stressed because of this. So right before my 72 hours Russian layover, I got a call from the apartment management team that I have to move out 4 days earlier than my actual move out date. And they said like otherwise I have to like pay for the penalty fee. And I'm like, excuse me, like you guys never told me about this. Like I even went to their office like 2 months before my move out date just to sign the cancellation, and they never told me about this, like not a single word. Now right before I go to Russia for 72 hours, they called me and said that I have to move out, which means that I have to move out in like 3 days. Like I have no choice, right? I had to just call them and say like, you guys never told me about this, and like this is so unfair. I'll be in Russia, what are you gonna do? Like right? I really love this apartment, but like the little things like this was pissing me off. And like it's not my fault. Like I did everything. They asked me for the DEWA certificate, like clearance certificate or something, and all my information was wrong. I had to like change my email, change my phone number throughout the app, but that didn't work, so I had to email them, and I emailed like 3 different people for this. I did everything, every paperwork that they required me to do it. Like this is like out of my head, you know? And I was so pissed off. And like I don't know how I spent 72 hours in Russia. Like I was not relaxed. I was so stressed about moving out. I had to just find someone to like take my furniture and everything. I had to like, I don't know, I was so stressed in Russia. Also like I had to pack in like 3 days too. I'm like, so I landed. Of course I got sick. I had diarrhea for the past 4 days. No, now I think it's been more than a week now. I was dehydrated, I was sick, but the good thing is that I moved in now. I think I'm still sick a little bit, but today we're having a proper day off, so I'm thinking I'll just have really chill day. All I have to do is get like a organizing box from IKEA. So I'll go to IKEA. Maybe I'll cook some lunch now, because to be honest, right now it's around like, okay, it's a little over 11:30. So yeah, it's not a morning. Yeah, I'll cook some lunch and I'll go to IKEA and I really want to explore Meydan more, so I'll just walk around Meydan and explore my new neighborhood. Just so you know, this place is not my actual move-in place. Like, this is my temporary stay. I'll be staying here for like 2 months and I have to move to JBC. So it's gonna be a hectic 3 months, but it's fine. Now, let's make some lunch. This is like Japanese inspired food. I think it's called sukiyaki, but I add some eggs. So yeah. Bon appetit! Really good. I used to eat this like every single day just to lose weight, but now I still eat it. It tastes so good. It's already 1 p.m. Maybe because I'm Asian, like I love Asian food so much. I don't know how people just survive with the sandwiches. Like, over this? Seriously? Over this? I devoured it. I devoured it. But I needed this because I was feeling sick, and this will keep me warm for a bit. I mean, it's Dubai, so it's not even cold, but still. Like, I needed something warm to recover my body. I don't know why, but my voice been like cracking lately. Maybe it's also because I'm stressed. Now I'll go get ready to go to IKEA. Let's go to IKEA. This is so comfortable. So the container that I was gonna buy is out of stock. They only have a lid. Oh, I don't know what to do now. That was the whole reason why I'm here. So. Well, that was a fail, but at least I got my ice cream. Oh my god, no, I'm at the car too. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. I'm literally sweating so much. It's currently 6:30 and oh my god, I'm not even hungry because I'm so overwhelmed. This is insane. So hot. I really wanted to get some storage boxes, but I couldn't get any because I think they want my spot. I don't know what they're. Okay, maybe. Okay. Now I'm back. Oh my god, I'm super tired. That was something. Oh my god, driving is exhausting. I love it, but like still. It's currently 8 p.m. and I'm a little hungry, so I'll just go to the restaurant right next to my apartment. So I found this restaurant on Google Maps. It's called Little Hanoi Coffee and it's literally right next to my apartment, but it takes 35 minutes to walk because of the roads in Dubai. Can you believe this? Like how? I'm not walking 35 minutes, so let's go and figure out if it's actually 35 minutes or not. Let's go. The Google Map lied. It was only like 6-minute walk. And look at this. It's right there.